Hi, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. So today, this morning, I want us to talk about advocating Nisi. Hello. yes. Advocating Nisi decided, you know what? Choose a middle finger. I'm not going to grace you with no answers or anything, but I'll do what I've been preparing for. I'm going to go to that marathon. I'm going to run that marathon, and then I will finish it. And by God's grace, he did. He went, he ran, he finished the race. And voila, what we are waiting for this morning is to see, is he going to be in court? Is Mnisi going to be in court this morning? That's the big question that we are asking. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen in court because we are expecting two things. Baloyi applying, doing his application for using those 15 photos and 15 photos of accused number 2, which is new evidence, or 3 photos of accused number 3, which is new evidence. And Ramsipile said, we want to know the source of those situation. That's what we're expecting in court today. And Ms. Mshololo said she wants to know why were they not used. Do you understand? And also, we are expecting if he is going to do the application and then it's successfully via Judge Rata, we are expecting to see Umabasa Nondlovu to come back and talk about these photos, where were they, what were happening, okay? That's what we are expecting to hear now and to see. In any way, Kesana, the other thing that we are expecting is Mnisi doing his written application to request Muzi and Buthelezi to come back because he has few questions for them regarding accused number 1, which is Mr. Muzi Sibiya. Do you understand? Besides that, currently today, we are celebrating Mnisi, who did the marathon on record time because he ran it for 10 hours. For 10 hours, not 12, 10. I was happy because they said he ran for 10 to 42 minutes. Yes. And the congratulations are in order to advocate Nisi. That's what we are celebrating right now. We don't have any time for anything else. And the question is, did he manage? Who was he driving with? Did they drive back to Gauteng today? Is he going to be in court? That is the big question. Is he going to be in court today? We don't know. We actually do not know if Advocate Mnisi is going to be there. We don't know. I'm hoping, I personally, I am hoping that he is going to be in court. And of course, it might be a very short day, and then we shall see. Or perhaps if there's the application for, who's this? For Baloyi is successful, then perhaps one of the people is going to be led, it's going to be there, and then he's going to take and take us to through the 15 photos and the 3 photos. We don't know. So we shall find out today what's going to happen in the Judge Rata courtroom. And I am looking forward to that, to the entire thing unfolding. But the big question is, Mnisi going to make it to court after running an entire 90 kilometers marathon from Pietermaritzburg to Moses Mabhida? That is the big question today. Is he going to make it? Is Mnisi going to be able to make it on time for the from the Congress? Did he drive back last night? Did he fly back? What happened? Did he sleep in Durban and woke up very early this morning and was like, I'm going to actually fly to Johannesburg? Did he manage? Is he going to be late? What's going to happen? I don't know. I actually have no idea, but we shall see. In my personal opinion, I want him to be in court, Gosia. I honestly do. I want him to see in court today because I don't want him to give Rata any other reasons to do whatever. Because we already see how Judge Rata is. Uncle Tom, don't play. Uncle Tom, don't play. So Uncle Tom is going to be doing things, and we don't want that. We don't want Nisi to give Uncle Tom any reasons whatsoever. Nevertheless, my lords, I don't want him to give him any reasons. He better be in court, guys, who advocated this. It was so nice yesterday. We were tracking him, checking where he is now, how is he doing. I pray to the Almighty God that Umnisi will be in court. And also, I pray that he will be in a very focused manner. And the other thing I was happy about, I don't want to ever see anyone talking about how Nisi is coughing. Move on. Because he ran an entire marathon and survived. That means he's very much healthy. Move on. Forget about the cough. It comes from the aircon. Is the aircon there at this time? I don't know. I don't know. So it is what it is, guys. The question is Baloyi going to be successful with his application for the photos? Is Nisi going to be successful in his application to recall Constable Zungu and Constable Buthelezi? Is he going to be successful? Is Nisi going to make it inside the courtroom of Judge Rata today? Ratata, Uncle Tom, is he going to make it there? Because, Mr. I don't care if you call me Uncle Tom, is going to have a fit. If Nisi is not there, silent. Honestly, I want him to be there. I want Nisi to be there. Please, sir. Dear Lord, I pray that Nisi be in court. I want him in the courtroom today. I do. I hope and pray he's there. Otherwise, Uncle Tom. And I also wonder if Uncle Tom is going to apologize for his Uncle Tom statement. Is he? Is he going to apologize for Uncle Tom's statement? Is he going to apologize for which statement now? Is he going to for blacks? South Africa that is run by blacks? Is he going to apologize for those things that he said? That was a lot, actually. Now, when you sit and think about it, that was a lot. South Africa that is run by black. South Africa, I don't care if you call me an Uncle Tom. Black lawyers, blah, 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 blah. White lawyers are better than, because that's what it was saying. I wonder if he is going to apologize for that. Is he going to retract those utterances? Because Friday he did not. Is the JP going to retract his own, that he saw nothing wrong, he did nothing wrong, after saying so much? After saying so much? After he said so much, the JP was like, I'm standing with him. All of you, leave me alone. I don't care. Because if you comment, Judge JP was, you know what? He said those things. When it comes to a certain issue, he said he could have said, he could have handled it better. Because for starters, while Judge Rota was having a meltdown, he was having a meltdown over a wrong thing. Yeah? A wrong thing being what? It was wrong of him to have a meltdown because the reason he was having a meltdown is that Advocate Nisi wrote to his register, not to him directly. That is the core reason he was having a meltdown and getting angry, frustrated and stuff. It's nothing else other than, why didn't he directly write to me? Which is the same thing that they schooled him last year with Ngomezulu about, and he still did not get it. He did not want to understand it. Again, he is having a meltdown because you did not speak to me directly. Why won't you contact me directly? What does he mean? Did he contact any judge directly in his time? Sorry. Why everybody in that courtroom who is a lawyer, even Baloyi himself, they know you start with the register. Judges Matters know it like that, and everybody else who's a lawyer knows it like that, but not Judge Ratta. What does he mean? Because that is why we are here. He had a meltdown because Mnisi wouldn't contact him directly. He had a meltdown with Mngomezulu because Mngomezulu wouldn't contact him directly. Those were his reasoning. He has these meltdowns because people are not contacting him directly to say, may I be excused? And then we had Newsroom Africa wanting to address the wrong thing. Nisi. No. We needed to address the Uncle Tom statement. We needed to address the black lawyers. We needed to address a South Africa that is run by blacks. We needed to address those, but no, Newsroom decided, I'm not going to address those. I'm going to address this one that I want to address. Kitty? Anyway, what are your thoughts when it comes to all of that, guys? What do you think is going to happen inside Judge Ratta's courtroom today? Because personally, I feel like there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on. It is a lot, son. It is a lot. It is a lot. So let's talk with comment section. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I'm enjoying doing this for you guys. Please make sure you like, you share, you comment. And most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. I really appreciate everything that you do. Bye-bye.